Hello tech lovers, I welcome you to my channel. Today I'll be giving us a tutorial on how to use Smartmockup with Canva. Are you happy? You see, Smartmockups is used to beautify your product, like digital product, after you've designed it with Canva, or you can use Photoshop or Adobe. So anyone that you're comfortable with, but I use Canva. So after doing your design, or you can also go to Creative Marketplace and also get license to their products, to their stuff there, and use as a smart mockup. But in today's class, I'm going to be giving us smart mockups, how to use smart mockups. You see the design behind me, it was printables. It's just a simple printables that I did, and I just printed it, and I did it like this. I went to the store and I framed it up like this. You can actually start selling this. And also some of these products are in Satratran handmade. Okay, handmade in Satratran. I have a video here. Some of my products are in their store here in Regina downtown, so you can check them out and patronize them. Okay, so without any further ado, Canva just introduced 8,000 smart markup. Who is excited? Please like this video, share this video, so that the YouTube algorithm would remember Tech with Bumi's channel, will remember our brand. Okay, support your girl, and I would appreciate you all. Okay, I have a lot in stock for us, a lot of classes, a lot of tutorials with Canva, a lot of how to make logos. You want to sell carrots or affirmation cards. If you want affirmation cards, I have a lot coming up. Okay, so join this class, subscribe, and like this video. Watch this video to the end and see how to create a smart mockup with Canva. Thank you. If you need any of my services, check the description box and you can book one-on-one with me. And if you want to get any digital marketing skills or any digital marketing services from me, if you need any digital marketing services from me, you can also check my description. Okay, thank you. Without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic for today. Once again, our tutorial for today on Canva is how to find smart mockup and use it for any of our designs. Do you design? Do you sell digital products? Do you have like a product you want to market to your people? You created a package or whatever thing you want to sell, or you design, and you've been looking for where to make it more beautiful and post on your social media, so that when people see this product, they would patronize you. So now it used to be inside the inside this Canva, like when we go to create design, we'll put the custom design, the custom sizes and all that, and we'll scroll down or you click on effect and you'll see the smart mockup. But now the smart mockup is actually on your home page. Okay, as you enter your Canva account, then you scroll off and you will see some brands, content planner. If you don't know, you can schedule all your planners into your social media with Canva. I'm still going to do a tutorial on that, how to schedule your content and post on, instead of you saving it on your phone and going to post it on your social medias later. Okay, so now for the purpose of this is your smart mockup. Okay, this is our smart mockup for today. So we'll click on it, and guess what? Search 8,000 plus mockup. We have different mockups here. Do you want to sell an ebook? You want to create any designs, technology design, printing designs, packaging designs, apparel designs, and home and living designs? We've got your back. Okay, Canva has got your back. You can even create a thank you card, you can create a wedding anniversary card, you can create any celebration cards with Canva. You can also sell. And if you want to do this type of business and you need help, book a one-on-one section with me and I will put you through. My link will be in the description box. Okay, so now let's go through all this together. So now if you're doing technology, like for example, I don't want this class to be too long. So this is technology. Like if you want to do an ebook, you want to describe something, you just click here and you put your design on it. You see, you click here, you choose the type of system you want that you feel is good for your advert or for anything you want to put on your social media, and you click here and you select. Note, if you see something like this, like this Gold Pro over here, if you see something like this, then you have to have a Canva Pro account. Okay, I have a Canva Pro account. This is why I invested in Canva Pro account, because I sell digital products. So if you want to sell digital products, Pro account has more features than the free Canva account. Let me know if you want me to do a tutorials or to do a video on it, like the Canva free versus the Canva Pro. Let me know in the comment section. Say yes, Canva, then I'm going to do a tutorials on the differences between Canva Pro and the free Canva. So if you are using the free Canva app, or yeah, you use this, but if you click on this and you don't have a pro account, it's not going to work for you. Okay, so you just click on it, and because I use Pro, I'm not putting any design, and we'll just get started like that, and you follow the procedure. I will show you what when we get to the one I'm going to design later. So now we go back, then we'll check the printing. Oh god, can you see? Like for example, if you want to print your book, you created an ebook and you want to create something like the front page and all that, you want it to look more beautiful. We have smart mockup on books and cards. Like you can see this card, like you want to have an invitation card, give someone an invitation card for your wedding, for your anniversary, or for any owambe that is coming to you, you use this card mockup. Okay, so this is basically giving you all the info, and you just click the ones you want. There are some that are free for Canva free, and there are some that are for Canva Pro. Okay, but to have access to this smart mockup is totally free for both Canva Pro and Canva free. Okay, so now let's continue with printing. If you have a brochure, are you a printer? I have another business by the side. It's called Booms's Lifestyle Print. So if you want to customize your shirt or any of your printing services via your blog, you'll find my website link in the description box. Okay, and these are frames. We can just do a quick one on frames, like the one we just designed, not quite long. So I'm going to use this. We'll click on this. Let me see if it's a free one that I chose. I'm going to be using the free design. Okay, most of these frames are free because you can't see anything underneath that is pro, like Canva Pro. Okay, so now let's just design something like this, and you select. If you want to sell digital prints, you come here. I'm going to upload from the system because I have all my digital file in one. These are my digital prints. So these are the ones I've done before. So I'm just going to put family is everything. I will upload it here and select it and put. Then you see, for free to use. Then if I want to adjust the size, I will just say fill. Okay, and I will save it because I want it to look beautiful. Isn't this nice? So I will save the mockup, right, and download. And if you want to use in a design, you use in a design. So I downloaded this mockup for those that want to sell digital prints, digital download, printables, and you can also put this in frames. You can sell it in different frames because we have canvas. Can you see the canvas? We have it in canvas, we have it in we have it in portrait frame. Can you see the portrait? So you choose the one you want. Okay, then let me go back. We have it in landscape. Can you see the landscape, different sizes? And finally, we have it in square frames. So you can design it and fit the screen. And let's continue going back again. So we have up to 8,000. Just type what you want. So far is under this. Then let's go to packaging. Are you that beauty person, cosmetic, beverages, supplements? Are you that person that have a cosmetic shop? You can customize the stuff here by just designing, and you can see, and having your own special made. They will think you're the one that did it, and you just design and you just put your mock-up on this cosmetic mockups. Okay, so we can do the same for beverages. Like, do you want to sell a sticker? You want, like, I customize drinkwares like this. I customize things like this. I can come here, do my design and customize for you, and I put it on my Koji shop or on my website, and people will patronize me. Okay, can you see all this? So, and you can even label your drinks if you have a wine company. Can you see? Or you want to customize it and give it to someone as a gift. You can do that. The tutorial is coming soon on labeling. Okay? So subscribe if you are enjoying this class or tutorial. So this is for supplements. I'm going to be rounding up soon. If you are a pharmaceutical, you have a pharmacy and you want to customize your bottle, this is it. For all those that, for medicine people, then we have apparel. Like, you want to customize I do all this for business. So if you want to customize your t-shirt, your sweatshirt, hoodies, tank tops, sports wears, and face mask accessories, I have this also for sales. If you want to customize your toddler stuff, you can come here and design and put all these smart mockups on your design, and you can start selling it. Okay, and this is home for living. I believe we all love our mom. As I said, I do all this, and you can also turn this into a business making money. Okay, and if you are confused and you don't really know how to go about it, book a one-on-one section with me, and I'll put you through, and you start making money. And do we love candles? Do we love the smell of candles? So if you have a business like this type of candle smell, right? These are candle mock-ups. You just put your label. If you want to go into this type of business, put your label here and you get going, you get started. Okay, and if all these things are not here and you want to type something that you feel is not here, like for example business card, then you decide. I just click on business card. So these are mock-ups for business cards, and we have for stickers also. So let me go back. I'm going to round up this video soon. Sorry about that. So now we've done home and living, and these others. What do we have? Like, you want to have a party. And the good thing about this is that after designing your stuff, you can also Canva will direct you. Canva will tell you to make payment for it. You can purchase all these things with Canva, and it will get delivered to you. So I'm going to do a separate tutorials on how to go about that when I'm doing my sticker class, how to make stickers or how to create your custom labels for your business. Okay, so I'm going to do that in that class, in that video, so watch out for it. So this is all I have for you today. Are we not excited? We have good 80,000 smart mockups, and Canva is also giving us some vibes. Canva is giving us some new things. So let's watch out. We have tablets, okay? And if you want to customize something, like you want to sell your watch, or you want to put something on your wristwatch, like you want it beautiful and you did a design like this, these are the wristwatches you can put, and you just upload it on your social media. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you gained something from these tutorials. It's your girl, Bumi. Thank you for watching, and please watch others of my videos. Don't forget to like this video before leaving. Comment below, share this video out. Let YouTube algorithm remember Tech with Bumi's brand. Thank you. Bye for now.